The Waterdrop AS13 undersink filter offers an installation process that does not require any drilling, making it an ideal choice for renters and those seeking a convenient setup. Certified by NSF and ANSI, this filter effectively reduces chlorine, unpleasant tastes, and odors, while also tackling harmful substances like PFAS and PFOA PFOS. With its advanced 6-stage filtration technology, the system not only purifies water but also enriches it with essential minerals, ensuring a healthier hydration experience. Constructed from food-grade stainless steel, the Waterdrop AS13 is both rust-resistant and durable, providing a reliable and safe water filtration solution. The filter's impressive lifespan of 12 months means you can enjoy clean water for an entire year without the hassle of frequent replacements. Designed with user safety in mind, the materials used in this filtration system are lead-free, ensuring every drop of water is pure and safe for consumption.